first step in completing the square method is to make the coefficient of x square as 1. In this case, it is 4. How will I make this as 1? By dividing all the terms on both sides of equal to sign by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1x square means x square minus 12 divided by 4 is 3x. 5 divided by 4 as it is, and 0 divided by 4 is 0. My next step is x square minus 3x. Take this plus 5 over 4, the constant term, to right side, and of course the sign would be changed. So it will be minus 5 over 4. Now comes the most important step. I want to create or complete the square, the perfect square on left side. And to create that perfect square, I will be adding a number, and that number is coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square. What is the coefficient of x? It's minus 3. So minus 3 divided by 2 whole square. This is same as 3 over 2 whole square because minus square is positive. So I would be adding this number on left side as well as on right side. So let's do that. X square minus 3x plus 3 over 2 whole square equals minus 5 over 4 plus 3 over 2 whole square. Now, this left side is the perfect square of the binomial. Which binomial? It's the perfect square of this x minus this 3 over 2 whole square. Whenever you have minus over here, it's always minus. If it is plus, it would be plus. So I have written my left side of the equation as the perfect square of x minus 3 over 2. That's why this method is called completing the square method. Let's solve the right side. It's minus 5 over 4 plus 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. So it will give me x minus 3 over 2 whole square equals, the denominators are same, negative 5 added to 9 will be 4. So 4 over 4, and that gives me 1. To get rid of this square, let's take the square root on both the sides. So x minus 3 over 2 whole square equals square root of 1. And whenever we are taking a square root of a number, it always has two answers. So one in plus and one in negative. So we always write plus minus. Now this will cancel out this one. So x minus 3 over 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 1 is 1. This gives me two equations. X minus 3 over 2 is equal to plus 1. And the another equation will be x minus 3 2 is equal to minus 1. So there are two possible solutions. Now it will give me x is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2. And it's like 1, and to make it 2, I will multiply numerator and denominator with 2. So it's 2 over 2 plus 3 over 2. So x is equal to 5 over 2. So this is my one of the solutions. Let's solve this equation in the similar manner. So minus 1 plus 3 over 2, and to make it 2, multiply both by 2, numerator and denominator, it is minus 2 over 2 plus 3 over 2. So this is x. So x equals 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 over 2. So x equals 5 over 2 or 5 halves, and x is equal to 1 half are the two solutions of this quadratic equation by completing the square method.